Experiencing rapid battery health drain on your iPhone? If you are noticing frequent drops in your iPhone's battery health and want to address this issue, follow these 3 effective troubleshooting steps to help prevent the problem. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Enable some important battery setting. Open setting, scroll down, tap battery and health charging, scroll down, enable optimized battery charging. Also enable clean energy charging. Solution 2. Do not use low power mode all the time. Frequent use of low power mode may impact the overall experience of using your iPhone, and it's important to strike a balance between conserving battery and enjoying the full capabilities of your device. It can make an effect on the battery health. Solution 3. Use your authentic adapter cable. Non-certified chargers might not provide a consistent voltage and current output, leading to overcharging or undercharging on the battery. Over time, this can affect the battery's capacity and overall health. So, to maintain your iPhone's battery health and overall performance, it's highly recommended to use authentic Apple chargers and accessories. Solution 4. Do not use your iPhone while charging. When you use your iPhone while it's charging, the battery is both charging and discharging simultaneously. This can lead to a slightly higher number of charge cycles over time. So stop gameplay and other issues while charging. By following these steps, you should be on your way to resolving the battery health draining issue on your iPhone. If you still have any questions or concerns, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.